welcome to psychflix. In this video, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of human behavior, thoughts, and emotions, and looking at some of the key theories and research that have helped shape the field of psychology. Part 1. Understanding the mind. To start off, let's take a closer look at the human mind. Our mental processes are incredibly complex and multifaceted, and psychologists have spent decades trying to understand how they work. Some of the key components of our mental processes include cognition, how we think, reason, and problem solve. Cognition includes processes such as attention, perception, and memory. For example, how do we pay attention to certain things and ignore others? How do we interpret sensory information from the world around us? How do we encode, store, and retrieve information? Consciousness, what it means to be aware of ourselves and our environment. Consciousness is a broad term that includes everything from our basic sensory awareness to our higher-level thoughts and emotions. One of the most fascinating aspects of consciousness is how it seems to emerge from the activity of our brains, but we still don't fully understand how this happens. Learning, how we acquire new knowledge and skills. Learning can happen in a variety of ways, from simple associations between stimuli to complex cognitive processes such as problem solving and reasoning. Psychologists have developed many theories and models of learning, including classical and operant conditioning, cognitive learning theory, and social learning theory. One of the key themes in the study of the mind is how all of these processes interact with each other. For example, how does attention affect perception? How do our memories shape our future behavior? These are complex questions that have inspired decades of research and theorizing in psychology. Part 2. Exploring human behavior. Now that we've looked at the mind, let's shift our focus to behavior. Behavior is one of the most visible and easily observable aspects of psychology, and it encompasses everything from our basic physiological responses to our most complex social interactions. Some of the key topics in the study of behavior include motivation, what drives us to pursue certain goals or engage in certain behaviors. There are many different theories of motivation, from basic biological drives such as hunger and thirst to higher-level needs such as self-actualization and belongingness. Emotion, how we experience and express different emotions, and how they influence our behavior. Emotions are complex psychological states that can be influenced by a variety of factors, such as our individual traits and experiences, our social and cultural context, and our physiological responses. Personality, how our unique traits and characteristics shape our behavior and interactions with others. Personality is a broad and complex topic that encompasses everything from our basic temperamental tendencies to our more complex traits and characteristics, such as extroversion, agreeableness, and conscientiousness. Social behavior, how we interact with others in groups and society, and how we conform to social norms and expectations. Social behavior can be influenced by a wide range of factors, including our individual traits and preferences, our social and cultural context, and our cognitive processes. Psychologists have developed many different theories and models of behavior, including Maslow's hierarchy of needs, Freud's psychoanalytic theory, and Bandura's social learning theory. These theories have helped us better understand how and why we behave in certain ways, and have informed many practical applications of psychology, such as psychotherapy, organizational psychology, and social policy. Part 3. Applying psychology in practice. Psychology isn't just a theoretical field. It has many practical applications that can help us better understand ourselves and others and make positive changes in our lives. In this final section, we'll look at some of the ways psychology is applied in different areas, such as education, how psychology can inform teaching and learning strategies and help students succeed. Healthcare, how psychology can be used to promote physical and mental health and treat a wide range of conditions. Business, how psychology can be applied to improve leadership, communication, and team dynamics in the workplace. Law and justice, how psychology can inform legal decisions and help reduce crime and recidivism. We'll also touch on some of the ethical considerations in psychology, such as confidentiality, informed consent, and avoiding harm to research participants. In this video, we tried to make a brief overview of psychology. Of course, this video only scratches the surface of this vast and complex field, but I hope it has given you a taste of some of the key topics and applications of psychology. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this content informative.